Welcome to KickStart, where you get to see new products here at Automation Direct. Today, I'm going to show you our redesign and line extension of our popular power supplies from our brand RHINO. Automation Direct has carried power supplies from the beginning, and we keep adding more and more options to suit your product needs. We now have 16 new models with 5 to 24 volt DC output single-phase models, 5 to 24 volt DC output three-phase models, 2 to 48 volt DC output single-phase models, one dual output voltage model with 24 volt DC and 5 volt DC output. We also have 3 new specialty modules. The 24 volt single-phase models have universal input voltage of 85 to 264 volts AC or 120 to 375 volts DC and offer 2.5 amp models up to 20 amp models. The 48 volt single phase models accept 85 to 264 volts AC or 120 to 375 volts DC and have an output of 48 volts DC with a 2.5 amp and a 5 amp model. Now, both have adjustable output voltage and output status LED, removable terminal blocks, and coated circuit boards. You can find these in either rugged plastic or the aluminum housings with 35 millimeter DIN rail mounting adapters. The 24 volt three-phase models accept input voltages of 320 to 600 volts AC and offer 24 volt DC output with models from 2.5 amps up to 40 amps. These are available in rugged aluminum housings and have integrated 35 millimeter DIN rail adapters for mounting. They come with robust fixed screw terminals and also have LED status indicators. The dual output model accepts the same single-phase input voltage as the others and has outputs in 24 volts DC with 2.7 amps and 5 volts DC with 7 amps. The rugged aluminum housing easily screw mounts in 3 different mounting orientations and offers robust fixed screw terminal blocks and output voltage indication. The last in this lineup are the 3 specialty modules, which are 2 redundancy modules that will allow you to wire up 2 power supplies in parallel to create redundancy. These come in corrosion-resistant aluminum housings and are approved for Class 1 Division 2 hazardous locations. They feature fixed screw terminals and have LED status indication. The last is a buffer module, which is a cost-effective alternative to battery-based backup systems. The capacitors buffer the voltage in order to maintain an output voltage of 24 volts DC. Now, this unit is housed in corrosion-resistant aluminum case and approved for Class 1 Division 2 hazardous locations as well. Now, it has fixed screw terminals and LED status indication. Now, you can find the agency approvals and the specs for these new RHINO power supplies and accessories on our website at automationdirect.com. And don't forget, we sell other power supplies, wire, connectors, and terminal blocks, and more. Check back with us often on Automation Direct's websites or on youtube.com/automationdirect for more KickStart videos. And if you're watching with us today on YouTube, please let us know what you think about these new RHINO power supplies or how you plan to use them in your next application by dropping us a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.